Let's begin with getting rid of this error. So if I click, it says type of your user table view does not conform to the protocol UI search result updating. So if I click fix, it will add a function that is required for this protocol. So we can use this. I'm going to put a mark here, call this search controller functions. And I'm going to paste this required function here. All right. Apart from this, we will need another function to make our search work. So let's create this function as well. I'm going to call this func filter content for search text. And we are going to take two parameters, search text, which is a string, and the scope, which is a type of string, and by default is going to be equal to all. All right. Let's start from our update search result controller. All we need to do here, this function will be called every time our search is updated. So we want to display what's going on there on our table view. So what we're going to do here is call our newly created function. So we say filter actually we don't need the scope because we are going to use the default value there, which is all. So I'm going to say pass search text, and the search text we are going to get from our search controller dot search bar dot text, and we need to unwrap this. So whatever we put in our search bar, this is going to be passed to our filter content for search text. So what it does, it takes this text, filters it, and shows the result in our table view. Currently we have nothing for this text, but if I put, let's say, ND, and it automatically filters it. So this is what we are doing here. And in order to show our filtered results, I'm going to say filtered users, which is our array here on top, okay, which is containing f users objects, is equals, and we access all the users and we filter this. So we say filter, and we are going to pass our parameters here. Let's click enter on it, and my variable name is going to be user here. And the code here, we are going to say return, and we are going to return our user that matches. So first we need to do our search. I'm going to say user, which is the user here, and we are going to access the first name. Then we are going to make it lowercase because our first name, this is case sensitive. So let's say if his name is Andy and I'm searching for Andy with a small letter A, this Andy wouldn't match to this Andy. So what we do is make these small letters, and also we take this text and so we combine everything, we make a small letter so it matches all the time. So we say this is lowercase, and then we check if it contains, and the element is going to be our search text, and again we are going to lowercase this. So we check if the first name matches with our search text, right? That's it. So once we return this, we need to say tableview reload data. So every time we search something and we get a result, we need to reload the data to present this. So you see, whenever I'm typing something, the table view gets reloaded. So these are the two functions that we need in order for our search to work.